Hi guys, okay, back here with the Lenovo Tiny, and one of the things I wanted to mention was with this Lenovo Tiny, because I was using 4 gigabytes of RAM, I decided to put in a 8 gigabyte memory card and use Ready Boost anytime, and it actually worked pretty well. It actually worked pretty well for the time being. What Ready Boost does is basically allows RAM to be swapped onto this little card, USB memory, and it basically allows you to run a little bit more programs all at once, and the performance is not degraded. It's actually a little bit better. I'd say at least about 25% better, so it's not bad. But with that being said, you know, it's always good to have enough RAM. RAM is faster than this memory, so I'm about to open it up, right? So let me get started here. The good thing about the Lenovo is it only has one screw at the back, and that's all you need to do to take out the outer casing. It comes out. I hope it comes out in the video. Alright, so we tighten in there. Now it's normally righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we spin into the left. You can see the little screw. Now, the first time I actually opened this thing up, I had a lot of trouble because I was actually pulling the outer casing backward to the back of the computer, which is here. But really, you have to pull it forward, which is this way. So if you just pull it forward, and it will eventually open up. Yep, you see, it's very simple, and you can see the actual Seagate. You can actually see the Seagate hard drive and the memory and whatnot in there, and the processor is right here. So basically that's what I am doing at the moment here, and then we'll put in the sticker RAM, which is right over here. Okay. All right, so packaged RAM here. Great. Crucial memory. And this one is saying 8 gigabytes of DDR3 1600, so then 1.35. Right, so we're gonna take this, take out this guy here, put it in. And I mean, the RAM that came with this one is a Samsung RAM, which is pretty good. So I'll keep this stick for later on. This is a 4 gig stick, perfectly working fine. This one actually sealed surprisingly pretty well compared to the last one that I got. I really don't know why they made this thing so difficult, but however they put this thing in, I mean, I just think like I could break the stick. Alright, so crucial. Now there's only one way that this RAM could fit into the actual system. That's the good thing about RAM, there's a long side and a short side. So you just line them up, you push it in, and you press down, and that's it. RAM installed. So now we have to test them out. So we're just going to put back in the cover. So this time we slide the cover backward into you have to line it up properly. Just slide it and push it in. That's it. Now we just put back in the screw. Make sure all is well. And we'll be good to go. So right, we turn to the right for this thing to work. And we should probably get rid of the 8 gig Ready Boost stick because we don't need it anymore. And nice, we're set to go. Alright, so we're back again. I booted up back the tiny M53 I mean, and as you can see now, running the J29 processor, which is really, I mean, it's fairly good. 200 plus points for CPU benchmarking, and now we have 8 gigs. Some of you notice that it's saying 7.7 gigs usable. Now this really means that some of it is being used for what purposes? Right, for video purposes. So it's using about 300 and something, maybe a little bit more than that. For the video card. So that's basically what it is. So thank you guys again for watching my videos, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel and continue to come and visit again so you can see some more videos. Thanks again. Bye bye.